Hello food lovers! We are here at Sakura Yakiniku for their lunch set menu from 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Meron ka ng lunch set na 300 pesos lang na sulit na sulit. So, ito yung place, ito yung loob niya. Sobrang daming tao, guys. So, alam mo ng authentic and masarap yung food here kasi sobrang daming tao. Then, ito yung mga sauces nila. So, ito na yung kasamang soup, then kimchi, and then yung pickles nila, and then boiled dish. And then, nag-extra order ako ng salmon sashimi. Fresh naman, ang sarap niya. And then, yung iced tea, masarap din. And then, ayan yung grilling station niya, diba? Sobrang cute, ang liit lang. Sobrang authentic Japanese. And ayan yung meat nila for 300 pesos. Ayan na yung mga makakain nyo. Ayan yung fried dish nila. And then, ayan,